So in this lecture we're talking about how to select cells. So there are a couple of easy ways to do it. Obviously first, if you click on a cell, it will select it. Another way to easily select a number of cells is to click in the middle of the cell, and you can either drag it to the right, or you can drag it downward, or you can drag it diagonally and highlight as many cells as you want. So I can highlight this entire area here, and then I'm working with that area. Now if you left click again anywhere on the page, it will get rid of what you've highlighted. So it'll just put you into one cell again. You can also use the shift and arrow keys. So if I press shift and right arrow, it will highlight along the row, and if I continue to hold down the shift and push the down arrow, it will go down the row, and if I push the left arrow, it'll come back in. So that's another quick way to select whatever cells that you want to select. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to use a couple of simple formulas to do mathematical calculations, which is where you'll really start to see the power and the magic of Excel make your life more efficient.